The Camp Voyager clothing and equipment list is split into two categories. In-camp gear, which is gear used in camp itself, and trail gear, which is gear we take out on our wilderness trips, whether it's canoeing, kayaking, or hiking. Trail gear is further explained on our Joe Camper diagram, which campers may utilize as a guide when packing for their trips. This gear may be stowed in a trunk at the foot of your bed, or maybe in a duffel bag or suitcase under your bed. This gear remains in camp. Trail gear, on the other hand, is gear we take on our wilderness trips, or what we call on the trail. This gear is stored separately, in a dry bag or on a shelf in your cabin. And now, let's hear a few tips from Joe Camper on how to pack for the trail. Joe Camper wears a build hat for all-around sun protection. All his clothes are quick dry or synthetic material. He wears hiking or athletic shoes with wool socks underneath. He may carry a 1-liter Nalgene water bottle, because Nalgenes don't break when they get dropped on rocks. But none of his clothes are cotton. His t-shirt, his long sleeve shirt, his underpants, his pants, they're all synthetic or quick dry materials. Campers get very wet on trips, and cotton or denim simply don't dry quick enough. Now that's how Joe Camper dresses for the trail, but how does he pack for the trail? I'm glad you asked. Most trail gear, especially the stuff that can't get wet, will go into your trail sack, also known as your dry bag. Here you can see how Joe Camper packs his dry bag. Most of the gear packed into a dry bag is used at night, so it's important that it stays dry so that the camper has something dry to change into and a dry sleeping bag to crawl into at night. Next, campers pair with a tripping partner. A liner goes into the pack first. Then they combine their 2 dry bags into a green CV personal pack, which is provided by camp. Other gear needed for the trail is stashed in pockets and on the sides of the personal pack, wherever it can fit. The liner is then rolled up, the pack is closed, and it's ready to hit the trail! Next, campers will take their gear down to the van. We always load them the night before so that they're ready for the trail in the morning. Now it's time for lights out! In the morning, campers put on their trail clothes, make their beds, in the hospital corners of course, eat a delicious mess hall breakfast, and it's time to hit the trail, where they'll continue to hone their packing skills every single day. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.